Real quick daily update. Two new lessons, one for free members, one for paid members. We are trying to rapidly add lots of quality learning content to stay ahead of all the new members here, so you've always got something to chew on. So first one is in the commentary section from the ever mysterious Rabbi Amnon, and it's on the Cyrus Archetype. We got some great empires happening in today's world. So this kind of dives into the eternal cycles behind them. You can always study it. Prompted, mark it complete. Very nice. For the paid members, we have something very special. The second lesson of the Inner Circle lessons has been released. This one is on Parashat Noah. So this one, like all of them in the paid section, are like very cool immersive experiences. So you'll see the art responding to your mouse when you move it. You have unique little prompts, unique puzzles. You got the sections there so you can browse the lesson. And some cute little quizzes. I'll leave that for you to uncover. That's all. Real quick, real simple. I'm going to go relax now. Take care.